Hello, friends! Welcome to Fun English with Ali. Today, we will learn English with a short and interesting story. The name of the story is Brave Seema. Let's start the story. It was nighttime. Seema and her little brother were alone at home. Their parents had gone to Seema's sister's house. Suddenly, Seema heard a loud noise outside. People were shouting, "Run! Run! A flood has come!" Seema quickly opened the door. Water was rising very fast outside the house. She ran back and woke up her little brother. Both of them started putting things in high places. But soon the water entered the house. After some time, the water reached their waist. Seema became worried, but she did not panic. She helped her little brother climb to the roof. Then Seema also climbed onto the roof quickly. After some time, a boy from a nearby house came in a small boat. He rescued Seema and her brother safely. Everyone praised Seema for her bravery. Seema was truly a brave girl. This story teaches us, be brave and stay calm in difficult situations. If you enjoyed this story and learned new English sentences, please like this video and subscribe to Fun English with Ali. And don't forget to press the bell icon to learn more English in an easy and fun way. Thank you for watching.